Hi, I'm Jonah, a managing partner at Atomic Object. We're a custom software design and development agency right here in downtown Ann Arbor. Well, not actually here. We haven't quite come up with a way to offer curbside service for custom software, but we do work right up there. We have teams of designers and developers who've built custom software products for clients all over the country. They've built things like this, and this for clients like this, and this. As you can see, things are a little bit different around here. Since March of 2020, our entire company went remote. Hey! And obviously Tech Trek is a little bit different this year too. Ideally, we'd all be upstairs enjoying some LaCroix and fruit snacks right now. But we still wanted to take this opportunity to share a little bit about us. Atomic Object creates custom software products for clients all over the United States and Canada. Custom software is software that can't be bought from a third party. It's not a pre-existing thing. You have to build it from scratch. We don't have a product we sell. We create products for our clients to possibly sell. What we really sell is time from really smart people who are able to create practically anything. We can create practically anything. We work on web apps, like when you go to facebook.com, that's a web app. Mobile apps, whatever's on your smartphone. Desktop applications that can be used in secure environments for large enterprise. And even embedded systems, and those are pieces of software that live on a device. We're not a VC-funded organization looking for a really quick exit that will benefit some outside investors. We've actually never taken on outside investment, and we're 100% employee-owned. But there are also some ways that we're similar to a startup. We're generally working in cutting-edge technologies. In a fast-paced environment, our people are learning new things all the time. Most of the company is made up of designers, developers, and product owners that we call delivery leads, and quality assurance consultants. We don't know when we'll get back to the old normal. There will probably be some sort of new normal in the future. And we're working and planning on what that will be and what getting back into the office will look like. On the financial front, we've been incredibly fortunate to be partnered with lots of clients all over the country who have continued to believe in us and trust in our ability to add value to their business, even in these difficult times. So 2020 is actually going to be a banner year for us in terms of revenue and profit. We've actually hired 9 people since March of this year. And we couldn't have done that without the partnership of our clients and without the support of the Ann Arbor Tech community. I'm most looking forward to getting back to the office because it means that I'll be back together with my people. Zoom is a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful technological advancement, and I'm so glad that we've all discovered it. But there's no replacement for being able to look somebody in the eye and really be able to connect and really be able to communicate. We tend to be people who really enjoy being together, and we're missing out on all that right now. So I can't wait to get back into the office and be together. We're present on all social media platforms. We also have a contact page on our website. So if it's sort of new business and you're interested in creating a custom application, you can go to atomicobject.com/contact and fill out the form there. If you're looking for a job, you can go to atomicobject.com/careers. We're currently hiring senior software developers, so people who have more than 7 years experience building custom software.